Hey, what's up guys? I'm here with the SG-1603 118 scale 4-wheel drive truck, armor infraction lookalike. Alright, did a couple videos with this, check them out. Now I'm gonna do a speed test. Check it out, put 0, see how fast it is. Alright, let's do it. See how fast this thing is. Nice little size. See how fast you can go, little guy. All right. Let's see what you got, man. All right. This way. No, this way. All right. Okay. You got 29 kilometers an hour. That's not bad for this little thing. 29. Can we hit 30? All right, let's go. That's pretty straight right there. Come on, little guy, let's do 30. All right. Let's see what you got, man. Can we do 30? Nah, still 29, guys. Well, that's pretty decent for this little thing. All right, that's it, guys. See you guys in the next video. Later.